Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Goat Simulator multiplayer. First, understand that the original Goat Simulator primarily supports local split-screen play. This means you can enjoy the chaotic fun with up to 4 friends on the same screen. You will need 1 controller for each additional player, so if you have 3 friends joining, you will need 3 extra controllers. The game does not feature online multiplayer for this version, focusing instead on shared, couch co-op mayhem. To set up your game, begin by launching Goat Simulator on your chosen platform. Before you even start playing, make sure all the controllers you plan to use are properly connected to your PC or console. This is a crucial step to ensure smooth gameplay for everyone. Once your controllers are ready, simply select the play option from the main menu to either start a brand new game or load an existing save file. Once you are in the game world, the process for friends to join is quite straightforward. The second player can simply press any button on their connected controller to instantly jump into the action. If you have more friends, the third and fourth players can also join by pressing a button on their own controllers. The screen will then automatically split into 2, 3, or even 4 distinct sections, giving each goat its own view. Now that everyone is in, it is time to unleash some serious goat-powered chaos. Explore the expansive open world and tackle various challenges as a unified goat herd. Do not forget to experiment with the many different goat mutations available, as these can grant unique and hilarious abilities. Remember, the main objective in Goat Simulator is to cause as much destruction and mayhem as humanly, or rather, goatly, possible. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.